Hi, hello viewers. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Ravi. In this video, I would like to explain about if function in Microsoft Excel or formula in Microsoft Excel. Here, observe here. Here I have taken two examples. In the example 1, I have taken in the first column age, and in the second column I have taken the condition for voting. So we know that the maximum age for voting is equal to or greater than 18. And if you observe the output here the output is not in numbers, not in characters. Here the output is in the symbols. See here, the person who are eligible to vote here is with tick mark. See here. And when it comes to the example 2, here also I have taken the age, but here the condition is I have taken for retirement age. So we know that if the person is equal to 58 or above 58, is eligible for the retirement. So you observe here, if the age is less than or equal to 58, is not eligible. See here, it is not eligible. That's why here cross marks are there. If the person's age is above 58, you observe here with tick mark. Okay, here also the output is not in numbers, not in characters, with symbols, tick marks and cross marks. Okay, so now let us see how this if function will work. But before going to that, a small request: those who are visiting first time to my channel, please subscribe my channel and share it to your friends. And for my latest update videos, press on that bell icon also. Okay, now let us see the concept if function in Microsoft Excel and how it will work step by step. Okay, right. Now I am deleting this one. So here also I am deleting. Okay, here I am changing the font. Okay, right. See here. Now let us see the formula is equal to if open bracket. So for example 1, so we are typing the formula for voting. Okay, so we know that the condition for vote is equal to or greater than 18 age should be there. Okay, right. If in the formula we have to type here the logical test means condition. Okay, so what condition for voting means the age should be greater than 18 or equal to 18. So that's why here I am typing, here is the age is greater than or equal to, age should be greater than or equal to 18. I am typing here. After that I am giving comma, and here if this condition is true, whatever the condition we have given, if this condition is true, so here I have to get yes. For example, yes should be in double quotes. After that again comma. Here next we have to give the another condition. What condition? If the condition is false, what I have to get here? No, I have to get. Okay, bracket close. This is the condition. Okay, so if I have given the condition, if this condition is okay, true, yes we'll get. If this condition is false, no, we will see. Click on enter. See here. Click here and at the here. Okay, so keep the cursor at the corner position and double click here. See here. Okay, observe here. 19, yes it is eligible, that's why it is getting yes. 17 not eligible for voting, that's why no. 25 yes, 21 yes, 16 no, 29 yes, 18 also yes, 15 no. Okay, we know this one, right? And the next scenario is, see here. Now here I want to get the tick marks. That means those who are eligible for oath, that means equal to 18 or above 18. So I want to get tick marks, symbols. How means, see here. First of all, see here in home tab. In home tab we have, sorry, in insert tab we have symbols group. Observe here once, the symbols group. Okay, here I am clicking symbols group. In symbols group, observe here clearly, the font name is Wingdings, Wingdings, Wingdings. Okay, so why? Because here we have so many fonts. In that fonts I am selecting Wingdings. In that Wingdings, here is the tick mark. You observe here is the tick mark. Okay, in insert tab, in symbols, in Wingdings font, now you observe here is the tick mark. You observe here, this is the tick mark. Okay, once you observe here the tick mark is there na. For this tick marks here character code is there. Observe here character code. So how much the character code is? See here 252. See here the character code for the tick mark is symbol is 252. And observe the character code for here cross mark. See here the character code for cross mark is 251. For tick mark 252. See here for tick mark 252 and cross mark 251. And for different symbols we have different character code. Observe here 240 like that. But here we need tick mark 252 is there, and for cross mark we have 251. Okay, so remember this one. Okay, right. Here I am typing the formula is like this, is equal to character, char, character, home tab, is equal to now I am typing the is equal to char, character, open bracket. So for tick mark, what is the character code there? 252, bracket close, enter. So see, observe here, so it is not came the tick mark. Okay, so some symbol is came. So why this symbol is came means, see here, why this symbol is came means, here we have to change the font here. This is the Calibri font. Here we have to go for that font name is Wingdings here. See here Wingdings. This is the, in home tab we have the fonts now. Here we have to click Wingdings font. See Wingdings. See here, now you observe here tick mark is came. See, you observe here. Okay, right. Now I am typing the formula. See here, is equal to if. Okay, right. So here we have to give the condition. What is the condition for voting? Click here, age greater than or equal to 18, comma. Okay, if this condition is true, I have to get the tick marks. For the tick marks I am giving character, open bracket. Okay, character, open bracket. So what is the character code there? 252. I'm closing the bracket, again comma, and double quotes. I'm not giving anything in double quotes. Opening the double quotes and closing the double quotes. Okay, after that I'm closing the bracket. and click on enter. See here and double click here. Okay, you observe here. So these symbols came here, these symbols. So what we have to do, we have to select all these symbols. Okay, we have to select all these symbols. After that, we have to change the font here. So the font name is, we know that Wingdings. Here it is. See. Okay, right. And when it comes to the example 2 here, we have taken the retirement age. Suppose if the person's age is equal to or less than 58, is not eligible for retirement. If the person's age is greater than 58, is eligible for retirement. So here I want those who are eligible for the tick mark, I want. Those who are not eligible, for them I want the cross mark. So how we can give the formula means, see here, is equal to, if open bracket, here we have to give the condition. What is the condition here? Age. So logical test means age is here. I'm clicking here. So here the age is, here we have to age, so greater than or equal to 58. Okay, right. So now I'm giving the formula here. If open bracket age, we have to give the condition here. Okay, age, so greater than or equal to 58, comma, here we I want to get if this condition is true. Okay, if this condition is true, so I want to get the tick mark. So for the tick mark, char char open bracket, and the for tick mark the character code is 252 bracket close, comma. If this condition is false, I have to get, okay, I have to get the cross mark. The character code for the cross mark is 251. So double brackets close. Okay, and click on enter. Okay, here we have not typed the char, char char, right? So this is the formula. See here. Okay, right. Click on enter. See, the symbol is clear. So what we have to do here, we have to give the double click. So automatically all the symbols came. Select this one, and here we have to change the font, and the font is Wingdings. Okay, so now you observe here 48. Okay, it is not eligible for retirement. 57 also not eligible, so that's why cross mark came. 60, yes, he is eligible for retirement. 59 also eligible for retirement. 53 not eligible, that's why cross mark came. 61 not eligible, sorry, eligible. 48 not eligible. 58 also eligible for retirement. Okay, so this is about how this if function will work in Microsoft Excel. If you have any doubts or queries regarding this topic, keep in comment section. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, like it and share it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day.